Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're headed to the Aloe Yoga store to try on the Make Waves collection in the pink colorway. Now this collection was originally launched in, I believe, the tan colorway as well as the gray colorway, and I have been intrigued with all of them since their launch. Now I did pick up the Ballet Pink Accolade set, and from that set I was sold. Originally I was not too sold on the Accolade set, but I think honestly if you find the color that kind of speaks to you, that's probably where you're gonna make a connection. I will also say that they feel really comfortable on with the whole set. I would not recommend just one piece or another, and I didn't really love the black colorway, so maybe that is kind of the flaw that I saw. Now I did try these on in kind of weird sizing due to what was available. So I did try the hoodie on in an extra small, but I had to try the pants on in a small. And you'll see that they are pretty baggy, but I wanted to get the overall essence. Now these definitely would have fit better in an XS, and for size reference, I do wear a size 0 or 2, usually a 26, sometimes a 25 in jeans. But I feel like with sweats, you can definitely, go larger or smaller, and you have a little bit more leeway there. These weren't the worst fit of all. Now, I really liked the thick waistband of these pants, and I really liked the placement of the wave. I thought it was actually really slimming and really flattering. The hoodie I was very surprised about. I guess I wasn't super surprised because I did end up purchasing the extra small in the Accolade hoodie, but this is just a really oversized item. Like this hoodie that I'm wearing in this video is the extra small, and that just felt wild to me. So I know that that's the trend, but if you are looking for something significantly smaller, you're not really going to find it with this SKU number. Now I do recommend some of the other lighter weight sweats as well, but this is kind of like a medium weight, something for a cozy fall morning or probably the winter. If you do like this set, let me know in the comments below. If you don't like this set, let me know why in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.